Hi everybody, welcome back to the studio. My name is Victoria Armstrong and I'm the owner of Side by Side Consulting Services. And today I wanted to share with you a quick way that you can make a really inexpensive light table or light box for about $20 or $30. And so this light box that I have here, I started by just getting a really large clear bin from a place like Walmart. And then all I did is I have some clear lights on a white string inside that I've kind of just scattered in the box. I've taped it with clear tape in a couple spots. And then underneath here is just some white tissue paper that I've used clear tape to stick to the underside of the lid of it to diffuse the color a little bit. And that's all, and that's what I've used to make a light box. Now I've also done it with a smaller box as well too, so you can really do it with any size clear box that you have. So that's how I made it, and then I've also put a mirror behind it, as you can see, for another element to add perspective and just a different interesting element for children to explore their materials with as they're sitting at the light box or the light table. And so I also thought that I would share some of my favorite materials to use on the light table as well too. So here I have some magnet tiles because they're obviously clear and translucent. They're really nice on the light box to use and to build with. So I have those. I have this that I actually found from the dollar store that my little guy loves to drop stones into, and colored counters. And again, because it's translucent, it works really nice on the light table. I have a little container of colored counters there, some green stones that actually glow in the dark a little bit, some of the colored blocks that I'm sure you're familiar with as well too. And then I also add some little people as well too to play with if there's something that is built on the light box as well. I also have these pieces of acetate, or they're kind of like colored overhead transparencies, which I love using on the light box because they can make really great backdrops for, say, small world play, or being able to layer the colors on top of each other is really nice. So I love using these. And then the other thing that I love using on the light box is a piece of acrylic. So this is just a plain piece of acrylic you can buy from an art store. And I mean, children could paint directly right on the light box if you wanted to as well. But this is just a nice way to kind of contain the paint so that you can take this off and then children can still play on top of it without having to clear the box or clear the light table before they do it. And so it's really nice to have some paint that they can use, you know, to explore with colors on here as well too. And it just works really nice on the light box as well. So that is my DIY light box for $20, and again, some really simple materials as well too for it that give children an opportunity to play with perspective and light and color and transparency, and yeah, just enjoy the beautiful world of light and color. So I hope this is helpful, and stay tuned for another video. Take care, guys.